Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not opening or working on PC. The first thing to do is to click on the three dots at the top right. Let's go to settings and let's go to privacy and security under your browser settings. From here, let's click on delete browsing data. And what we're going to check here is only the cookies and other site data. And once you have checked that, click on delete data at the bottom right. Once you have deleted your cache, you can then restart your browser and visit Instagram again. If still not working, we can go back to settings, three dots, click on settings, and let's click on about Chrome from the options at the left, which is usually at the very bottom. And if you have other browser, you can check if you have the latest update of your browser. If not, you can follow the instructions within this page and install the new update of your browser. And if mostly only your Reels page is not working, another way would be to search for adjust the appearance, and let's click on this option that says adjust appearance and performance of windows, and this window will appear. Plus make sure that animate controls and elements inside windows is turned on like this, and it should be checked like this. Once you have done that, just click on apply and click on OK, and you can then restart your browser again and revisit Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.